Today we're going to be doing a pink pour. I got a couple of different pinks and some other colors kicking around. I'll get you set up and we will get started. So like I said, we are going to be doing a pink pour. I'm going to put my cups that I'm going to need here. Just put this canvas over here for now. This is the cup I'll use for the flip cup. I'm on a bit of a flip cup-a-thon. Okay, so next things. Liquitex Basics Quinacridone Magenta. What I have left of it anyways. None. Just help it a little bit. Ooh. Okay, I said help it, not fling it. Don't have too much of that. Oh well. I scraped the bottle to get what I had in there. Artist's Loft? Light magenta. Because of the type of flip cup I'm doing today, I don't really need too much paint, which is nice. Another Artist Loft Cerulean Blue. It's a very nice light blue. It's like sky blue. It looks nice to me. One of my more favorite blues. And full cart 14 karat gold. Ooh, the bubbles came out of it. How cool. I'm gonna add more of the blue to this cup in a minute. Mainly because I feel like there's not enough in it. I don't want to run into the same issue as last time. There. And last, but not least, of course, I will also use Liquitex Basics in Payne's Gray. Just a nice bluey gray, not too dark, but it's still nice enough to mix in to flip cups and stuff like this. So there's that. Add a mixing silicone. Oh, I see my fly friend is back. Lovely. I swear he just likes the light. Whoa! Easy killer. So I've had to start closing my studio door to make sure my cats don't jump up on the tables. Well, cat, Roman. Mainly, she wants to jump up on the tables. Emily's still a lamp for now. So, fill the flip cup. Put a little bit of gray at the bottom first. Do no, I won't. I'll do gold first. Now I'll do the quinacridone magenta. I got more lights than darks. Oh well. Put that like that. Oh, it looks pretty so far. Add some more gray. Like I'm just doing it all over again. Just cause, why not? Did not mean to put that much gold. I'm gonna flip my pinks this time. Stop. Put a little bit more blue on top. Okay, so I'm out of quinacridone magenta, so I'm just going to do a layer of gray, gold, pink, and blue, like the lighter pink. Lighter pink. Please stop. I'm really shaky for some reason. Probably just haven't done enough yet. Okay, for the fun part. Isn't that cool? I like how the gray just kind of sticks out on the sides as well. That's neat. Schneat. Oh wow, even the drippage on the back of the cup. It's like it's not actually on the cup, it's inside, but it's still cool. It's a little off center, isn't it? Okay. Ooh, I didn't like how much the paint rolled over on my last one. So there. All the all the paint's dripping down. My spreading skills are glorious, aren't they? I gotta move my cups. I always leave stuff in my way, don't know why. Come on, go off. Put way too much white on. Whatever. Not ever really concerned about my edges when I'm doing a base like this. for a flip cup. No point in being concerned. It's all just gonna flow off the edges anyways. I just do that out of habit. I pinked my palette knife. Ugh. There. It's clean. So I've been working my butt off lately, as you can tell. Wanted to go reward ourselves by going out and doing something fun tomorrow, but tomorrow is inevitably rain day. For us anyways. Been getting a lot more rain lately. It's needed, not complaining. So, let's do this. It's had a lot of time to settle. I gotta flip it. That's pretty. Okay, for the first time, I think I'm gonna tilt before I torch and then torch afterwards just to get more defined cells. Great. I'm happy I left it because otherwise it was kind of plain. The line does a lot. Look at the way the gold and the gray mixed. So cool. So I started using poster board as my base. I think it's smart because this way you can like make cards out of it and it's a little bit more reusable. Oh, again with my favorites. I feel like this. So just... oh, this is so cool. I love it. It's so pretty. Oh, look at all my nasty gloves. Of course, I take off my gloves and then notice the corner. Over here, I'm leaving that alone. It's too cool to mess with. Everything else looks okay though. I just got paint everywhere. Okay, let's see what happens. Poof, cells everywhere. This is so cool. Look at them all. I'm getting little caterpillars, but that's no big deal. Sorry for my own shot. I'm just so mesmerized by my own artwork. Only needed to torch it once this time. How cool. Wow, that was instantaneous this time. I will get you down and give you a close-up because Oh, there's a spot I still want to get. Never mind. Because I need to show you the detail of this up close. It is so cool. Couldn't be happier with how this turned out. I just kind of randomly was like, I want to use these colors and we'll see how it goes. And here we are. All these millions of tiny little cells are making me so happy. I think they're so cool. I know there's some people out there that just don't like a lot of cells in their artwork. I'm not one of them. I mean, look at all the little gray cells that are popping up and blue and everything. I mean, it looks like a leopard down here, or jaguar, whatever. Let me know what you think of this one down in the comments below. Make sure to like this video if you, well, like this video. Remember to share with your friends to spread the love. I love this corner. My favorite. Look at all this. This is so cool. Let me know. And subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you